Humanitarian. Comparing no. They want to keep people up there or money for them. There are 300 people. Yeah. Compare no. Was it another time before I wanted, yeah? I just can't even know his track. What's Liberia preparation? What my brother for ANC? I mean, you know what partner before? That's Stacy look as partner for the country. I respect Mr. Cummings for all the reasons that I know. As chairman of Foreign Affairs, that gives me the privilege to sit on the Security Council of the country. I'm not too sure my young brother from ANC want me to carry 10 Liberia security strategy yet. No. Especially at the national leader where I sit. It's still classified. I think you respect that. Thank you, sir. When you are talking about that rehab, I was laughing. So I said that rehab in Barclay, I already knew. And the place where we go play gate. Yeah? The person who took it out on the tenant said the other way in that cash. The rehab was running as in Cooper farm community 2 minutes away from President Parker. Nobody pays money there unless the parent can afford the testing fee to take it in there. Ordinarily free. Ordinarily free. When we take you in there for 6 months, you eat 3 times a day. You got current 24 hours. Your clothes is on the center. When you're sick, we treat you. No clapping for that. Suppose you want to hear that. Suppose know it, but they don't want to hear it. When you're sick, the clinic there, we treat you. If the clinic cannot cater to your health needs and bigger than the capacity of the clinic, we relocate you to a hospital and pay it. Somebody graduated for the center. Gina, you don't want another question? Yeah, get it. That one looking straight at you are answering it. But if you answer it, but you let it answer, then I will get it. Because the answer I gave you is straightforward. Somebody who graduated from that place, they in Nigeria practicing with Nigerian Auto 20 because where their parents live. They get a future. Somebody who was head teller at managerial level at one of the banks, they went into drug because social issues. The bank sacked them. They brought them to the center. We clean them up. Today, they're making money at the Ministry of Education as consultants. I can go on over 200 some more persons that we are cleansed, free from a salary. The center had 18 employees. Executive director, doctor, clinician, psychiatrist, kitchen staff, security are paying them a living. That center, just from my salary I get back. It is the source of employment and livelihood for 18% already. There are the people who will recover from drug. And that's only for the media to be talking about it, not negative. That's only for intellectual opposition to be talking, not negative. If somebody fall off in our center, it will be the news because that one should be negative. Before we take anybody in there, the only time we can refuse you is after we do your medical test at the hospital for $83 per person. And when we take 75 person and all can pay $83 times 75, I pay. When your test result comes and they say you have a communicable contagious disease, then we can tell you because we don't want you to go there and spread it. But any illness that can be cured, but because we want cleansing of the drug, we can take you in. And most of the people that in the street get fasting, I paid $83 per person. Right now, we just graduated the 8th batch. 8th batch. We now have the 9th batch of people in there. Go to the rehab center now. When you see them, you will not have respect for human beings. After 2-3 weeks you go by, you will not believe that the same people who were here 2-3 weeks ago that thought they were dead. So the Center for Rehab, for Rehabilitation and Reintegration, funded by and being funded by Darius Dillon and good supporters who believe in our vision. It's a rehab, not at my Barclay. Thank you. The national ID. There was a meeting with the president and the national and the vice president and the national ID institution 2 weeks ago. Very, very soon. I don't want to do the work of the executive. I don't want to prove to be either so powerful here or somewhere in the government that I know everything. I will wait for the right entity of government to make the right announcement. But only thing I can say, this national ID card issue will be resolved soon and will resume the issuance of, okay? The yellow machine, no, when I wear yellow, for 2 reasons. Now only because I have all sides and the IE. Aparo and Arsenal. Then I read, but I am overly happy for the mission. In fact, I am extremely happy for the mission. The mission will do plenty of things. The first thing it will do, it will make me and my friend not to get election on your back in the name of our caliber. The governments of the old people. You know, I've been saying to people, I don't know what all problem in the country. I want to be senator or representative and go in one community and the person when you face our role. I said when many lawmakers will face the role and they clapping. No naked army, they play 11 had a role looking. And you can't say your own role, how you feel your own role. But you see, if people go campaign and they tell you impressive thing for your hearing, that it means for your own election. That is why I'm not afraid of losing election or winning election. Because even when I wanted election, I used to tell people I'm giving you fashion. Get your vote. You vote for me, I'll go fight for you. If I give you money, you take it, I did respecting you, and you did respecting yourself by taking it. But some people can say, but yeah, I will take it now because when we elect, we can't get nothing for you. Of course, you want to get nothing for us, the way y'all want it. The way y'all can want it. I'm closing. For 6 months, as CIEO and members of CIEO left CIEO and went to the Capitol building on their own transportation every day to see who will be speaker. The line? Who will be speaker that was talking point here every day for 6 months? Who will be speaker? People used to pay their way every day to go to Capitol building just to be in the ground, on the ground. How many times CIEO or the senior people went to Capitol building and said, they're not fighting for job for or what we see this or Liberia Party or UP or ASC or no party. They think they're not talking about the labor ministry affecting all who support them. How many of you did it? How many of you? No. But there were groups. Citizens United, if they were Cuba cry against our Dillon. And so the Citizens United membership, the jobless. And I'm fighting for job for them. They're dealing with me. Is it a Singapore? You see?
What kind of problem with that?
You see? And the country said that, and Cuba cry there, gave insinuation that I am against NIMBA. I confirm Cooper Crowd to be Minister of Labor. He was not cool, man. The time I confirmed him. He was from NIMBA. I confirm Cooper Crowd Toro first to be Deputy Minister of State at the mansion. She was not far. She was from NIMBA. When I confirm her. I confirm A.B. Koma to be DA boss. He was not Kisi. He's my dingo boy from where? NIMBA. When they remove A.B. Koma, they put Anthony Swore there. Anthony Swore was not crew man. Anthony Swore from where? NIMBA. I voted to confirm him. Yes. The current Minister of Postal Affairs, Sekou Kroman. What can they do? I voted for him. And without doing no vote in the Senate like before, I don't know that, eh? We're voting on the record. Senator Dillon. The nominee, how do you vote? Yes or no? If we call it. So nobody had him running for the vote this time. Everybody got to clean, take responsibility. And all the deputy ministers and assistant ministers in the government, I confirm Weah pay to be Minister of Lands and Mines. When they replace him, who they replace him by? Timba. I voted for Timba. Does somebody who had NIMBA people? Eh? But when I asked them how you doing the job, then I tell you, the time was beyond job, we have some 2 years for domestic death list. Our game crew people. You ever heard someone to a job where you say you hate the Southeast now, you hate cool people because you're asking for domestic debt list? That domestic debt list I wanted for job where the government and was insisting on my own government. GSC audited it and saved the country $704 million US from an advocate. GSC said we audited the domestic debt claim and we found out that 704 million claims being made for government to pay. They are unverified. Government should not pay. When I ask Kubaka, where you getting work? When I look at Middle Steel and other places, look, gentlemen, let's just say, can you imagine how many foreign-owned business entity in the country, say the store or business entity in the country? Can you imagine the number? Who can guess the number? Let's just put a number to it. I want to say something. Eh? Okay, let's just take 1,000 stores across the country. Eh? Don't get no weapon made for store ball. Only the problem of this store ball. One store ball per store. How many jobs ready? And you see how to create jobs, eh? But if we get business registration to the businessman to open a store, and he's already get store ball, and then we, the government, get weapon made for him to bring foreigners to be store ball. I will create a job for anybody else. And you know, each store got 2 or 3 store balls. So just imagine the low-hanging fruit job. Don't give no work permit for any store ball because store ball, as much as we don't intend to denigrate that vocation, it is something that almost anybody can do, man. Can you get work permit for it? You go to Moya. He can be graduate from electrical school, right? Then the Minister of Labor, whoever the minister is, gives work permit for electrician to be in the store and in the construction area. Go to Moya will get job. No. You know the only job we have not sold as the government, not only the government, on our work permit, the only job we are not giving up that depriving you, Liberian for job, is the lawyering job, meaning lawyers. Because the law says only Liberians can practice law in Liberia. Is that law around there? The government will come and give weapons made for people to be lawyers, foreigners to be lawyers in all these big companies. Going to law school in Liberia also we're going to be useless. And then when we see us standing up, then you say we hate Nima. No. I love Nima. I love Liberia more. I love the people. That's why the people give up power to create an avenue for them to get jobs. It's not about county. It's not about county. It's not about which government. Thankfully, it is not the John Weah government that everybody knew our opposition in. It is my own government. Am I opposition to my own government? Look, my people. Every time leaders, especially political leaders, national leaders, always consider their next election as a priority, the country can change. The people's life can develop. But also people can be in office throughout. It's easy for me to put my money in the land business. Just start breaking the people's land down. Just start breaking the people's property down. It's easy. You know Douglas? You're the one for that for me. You're camping in the street. Or why are you taking my people from the street for? How do we live? And it's easy to make that statement to gain favor. But Liberia cannot develop and we remain in office for being in office, but no system is changing in the country. I prefer to not be in office in a country where there's system and people can work and have the dignity than to be in office and then when the boy is working and the believe will take all the money, who they will count. Then we don't want to count. Then when they count off, then we say, oh, we decide who to give. And I don't care how you good, you can't get everybody. You can't get everybody every day. My people, let me tell you something. As I'm about to leave, the reason some of you, and not most of us, most of you don't see your public official because, especially lawmakers. Look, there are 3 branches of government with officials in the 3 branches. Lawmakers can give every day more than all the officials in the other branches of government. Whether for political reasons, whether for to make sure, or whether because we get who have to do it. Lawmakers can give more every day than any branch of government officials. But that lawmakers can take the blame for everything in the country. You don't understand. Somebody just go with me just now in the supermarket. Let me get only $10 in my pocket to go buy shaving stick. All the people that work in the supermarket want something. I go buy $10 shaving stick, I got to give more than $10 what I go spend. I know you can. Let me see some of you in the small shop that they are playing in the hand. They say, no, you can pay for. Let me get you that. I will get you that. Just take few steps behind me. Let me decide to take a stroll. Every 10 persons. Senator, what's up? Who get a guarantee every day? You go to one public occasion and the cultural troupe playing or the band playing and they beating the thing for you, the dancing, and you do nothing and say that want me. When you take us money, you can say that they got the money they divide. They say, what do you want? People suffer here and they divide the money. You go to church, so the pastor finish preaching, the pastor they will see the government feature in the church, they will preach on corruption. So now you get up on that pulpit, then they come and do right, the pastor appreciation or because the government official. What can you all refuse? Say, we want your corrupt money, don't put Your friend? Yes. Your friend getting married. You know, normally I tell people, you see, all of us there, maybe some people here should later if you are not doing that. Anytime God elevates you, don't have new friend or not new job. You have new colleague. There's a difference. Your friend, who you grew up with. You ran around together, you went to school, your kids you drew there, all that thing, you get story, you got feeding it. Anytime you in a new job, they put you meet them, they're your friend and your colleague. You maybe senator, I became senator, I met Vanny Sherman, they're my friend, they're my colleague. My friend and the people who must say, go out together and together. What are their social status all around that? My man, when I go together, he jump behind me. When you ready, he jump over. Yeah, get anything from my man, that's my friend, that's my colleague.
Yeah, I don't get it, member.
The people you meet along life ladder.
The community now.
So, you go to church, and you see, hey, see all the things I talk, they're laughing when I'm talking. All of us also, they don't want to meet out carry. They don't say they're going to get paid. Just watch it. All the things I talk, that's what I want. So, that's some of the reason. 1 minute. Chief, you're too angry, what happened? Wait. Hey, democracy can't laugh. You know one thing about me? I'm not afraid of telling you the truth. You disturb me. You exactly what you're doing now. The father, he even responded that exactly. You ask your question. You ask question for everybody. Ask one more question. The father, if you tell you ask question, it means you're acting like when God met the children of God, Satan was in the midst of the step. Don't maybe think you Satan. That was it. On the boat belt. No. The same brother. I think he was the one who said, I can see you here, eh? Yeah. Ain't see why you can see me here, eh? Yeah. Thank you. The meeting can come. Will take a picture, yeah? The money we're going to give the change. Gentlemen, 1 minute. 1 minute, we'll take a question, yeah? And then I'll conclude. Thank you. So, I will conclude and I will leave. I will not get any privilege to ask me, you know why? Yeah. When you do it, another person will think that the way to do it. Yeah. I want to make the country indisciplined. Yeah. You leave your house, you leave chairman and say, well, not disturb, and you can't also eat disturb. Then you go home, you tell the chairman why they disturb, there's something wrong with you. Stop being that way. On the board issue, and I have friends that won't be from. People that get, we are going to tell them. So you get disturb us now. Gentlemen, I say my chief, please leave us. Please leave us. Yeah? No. Just leave, just walk up. Beg you, please. Beg you.
Thank you, Minister.
So that's how the activity here came to an end. The guy decided to disturb the senator discussion. Thanks for watching.